Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we can see the new created home screen folder on our device home screen. By the same way we can add here more applications. Also we can rename the folder just by click on the name here, and for example under the apps, then just click here to OK, and now we can see that this folder has renamed successfully. If you want to move folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it to the position just where you want to change it. And also we can move this folder between the screens, or we can create the new screens with this folder. That's not a problem, as you can see. And here, if you just want to remove the application from the folder, just hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove this app from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and click here to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this app here in apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.